Hello students, what we are going to discuss in this video, the acceptance of outcomes. Outcomes of election means the result of election. In the last videos, we have discussed about the popular participation and the strong independent election commission that makes the election in India democratic, and this is the another fact. This is the third fact that makes the election in India democratic, that is acceptance of outcomes. What is there in this? Let's see. Final test is outcome itself. Means when all the process of election has been done. When all the process of election has been done in a proper manner, then the final test is outcome itself. That is the result itself. If the result is good, then the elections are held in the democratic way. Another thing, the outcome of India's elections speaks for itself. Means the outcomes of India's elections are not stable. Means it is not always in the favor of any one party. Sometimes it is in favor of BJP, sometimes it is in favor of any other party or Congress or any other party. Right? So the outcomes of India's elections speaks for itself. Means it is a democratic. Next thing. The ruling party routinely lose elections in India both at national and state level. What is there in India? I told you with this point that elections are not, the result of elections are not favorable for one party only. It is favorable, sometimes favorable for other and sometimes favorable for another party. So what is their ruling parties routinely? Suppose this time whose rule is there? BJP rule is there. Who is the PM of India? That Mr. Narendra Modi. He is related to the, belongs to the which party? BJP party. Maybe in next election he will not win. Maybe. Right. So what is there? Ruling parties routinely lose elections. In one election some other party is there, in another election another party will be there. So routinely they lose elections in India both national and state level, MPs and MLAs election. Right. In US it is an incumbent, or incumbent means the present elected representative. Those who are MLAs or MPs of US, what is there? Rarely loses election. Rarely loses election. In US, what is there? They are rarely loses election. It doesn't mean that their elections are not in a democratic way. But in India, what is there? In India, half of sitting MPs and MLAs lose elections. This time what happened? State assembly election in Haryana. What was there? Most of the MLAs lose their vote. Lose their seat. Now most of the MLAs are new faces. MLA, member of Legislative Assembly, right? And MLAs elect the CM and MPs elect the PM, right? Candidates who are known to have spent a lot of money. It doesn't mean that a person who has spent a lot of money on the elections, he will definitely win. It is not there. Sometimes it is there that a person who has spent a lot of money, on the other hand, the person who has not spent this much money, that person who has not spent a lot of money, he won, and but the another person who spent a lot of money, he loses the election. So what is there? Candidates who are known to have spent a lot of money or buying votes. Buying vote means they are bribing the voters. They are giving the money, they are giving the liquor and many other things for the votes. Right. Those with the known criminal connections often loses election. And sometimes those who are with the criminal action, they are also losing the election. It means if the ruling party is losing the election, it means elections are held in a proper and democratic way. Right? If the ruling party always wins, then what will be there? Will that election be called the democratic? No. means the ruling party losing the election, or those who are spending a lot of money and with the criminal connections, if they are losing the election, it means elections are held in the proper manner. And last, bearing very few disputed elections means very less chances are there that the electoral outcomes, means whatever the results of the elections have come, are usually accepted by the people's verdict. Means suppose this time BJP has won, Congress has loses the election, then what is there? Congress has accepted the result or the outcome of the election commission as people's verdict. People's verdict means the decision of the people, the judgment of the people by the defeated party. Means whatever the result has come, it has been accepted by the defeated party. So this was the topic, acceptance of outcome, and in the next video we will discuss about the challenges to free and fair elections in India. Some problems are being faced by the elections, free and fair election in India, that we will discuss in the next video. Then our chapter will be over. So till then, stay home, stay safe, and be healthy. Thank you.